Find peace in your moments of self-care and focus in your professional life. At work, be fully present. Freedom to be present. Walk with confidence, whatever the terrain or the journey ahead. Celebrate life's little victories. Your security, our priority. Live life worry-free. Adventure with peace of mind. Cheers to a life without worry. And dive into new experiences. Treasure the simple moments. And ride freely into the future. Cherish life's milestones. Witness every first step, knowing we're watching the rest. Savor life's sweetness and tune into the joy around you. Leave only footprints and take only memories. Create magical moments free from worry. Here's to a secure and joyful life. Steer your life, we've got your back. Secure your belongings, free your mind. Shop with assurance, live with ease. With Trend Alarm, you're always home. Your world secure. Your community, your sanctuary. For the ones who matter most, Trend Alarm. Secure your world, live your life.